guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 3 Lesson 3 homework. So let's get started. Number 1A, complete the pattern. Alright, so here we have 30, and then we don't know what's in between, but then we know it goes from 30 to 60. So to go from 30 to 60, it must be hopping or going, adding, like plus 10 every time. So in 30 plus 10 be 40, and then 50, and then 60. So it checks out. So this is 40, 50, 60. And after 60 would be 70, 80, 90, and 100. So that's 1A. And then 1B, find the unknown. 10 times 2 equals D. So D is our answer. Is representing our answer, so D is 20 because 10 times 2 is 20. But now 3 times 10 equals E, so E is representing our answer. 10 times 3 is 30, which means E is 30. And then F here, we have 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40, so F equals 40. P, 5 times 10 is 50, so P equals 50. Alright, W here, we have 10 times 6 equals W. W equals 60. And 10 times 7 equals N. N equals 70. 10 times 7 is 70. And then G equals 8 times 10. That means G equals 80. Alright, number 2. Each equation contains a letter representing the unknown. Find the value of the unknown. 8 divided by 2, we know 2 times 4 is 8, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. This one, 3 times A is 12. We know that 3 times 4 is 12, which means A equals 4. And now P times 8 equals 40. We know that 8 times 5 is 40, which means P must be 5. Alright, and next one, 18 divided by 6 is 3, which means C equals 3. In D, we have 4, something times 4 is 24. D times 4 is 24, and we know 6 times 4 is 24, so D must be 6. And this one, H divided by 7 is 5. Well, if something divided by 7 is 5, then 5 times 7 is 35, which means H is 35. Alright, and 6 times 3 is 18, so F equals 18. And now 32 divided by Y equals 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, which means 32 divided by Y is 4, so Y is 8. Alright, next page. Number 3, Pedro buys 4 books at the fair for $7 each. What is the total amount Pedro spends on 4 books? Use the letter B to represent the total amount Pedro spends and then solve the problem. Alright, number 1. So Pedro, he buys 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4. For $7 each. So we're trying to figure out the total. And the total would be B, because that's how much he spends. And this is here we're using B to represent the total amount. So 7 times 4 is 28. Or actually 7 times 4 is equal to B. So whatever B is, whatever the answer, that's B. And 7 times 4 is 28, so B equals 28. Box that too. So that means Pedro, he spends $28. Alright, and B, we have Pedro hands the cashier 3 $10 bills. How much change will he receive? Write an equation to solve. Use the letter C to represent the unknown. 3 $10 bills. Let's see. And each of these are worth 10, 10, and 10. This is how much Pedro gives. But we want to find out the difference between this and the actual cost to find how much change he'll receive. So we have this much. this is the actual cost. So remember, this is how much he spent on 4 books. It was 7,777. But we want to find out the difference. And this much is C, that means change. C for change. So how much will he receive? Well, 10 times 3 is 30. So we have 30 minus, we found out it's 28 up here. So 30 minus 28, that will be C. 30 minus 28 is C, which is our unknown. So C equals 2. That means Pedro will receive $2 back. Alright, and number 4. On field day, the first grade dash is 25 meters long. The third grade dash is twice the distance of the first grade dash. How long is the third grade dash? Use a letter to represent the unknown and solve. Alright, so we can do first grade first. First grade. And we know first grade is 25 meters long. And now the third grade is 25 meters, but twice the amount. So that's 25, but then now we have another 25. So we want to find out how long the third grade dash is. It says use a letter, so we can choose any letter. I'm gonna choose D to stand for dash. Alright, so 25 plus 25 has 2 times 25, which is also 25 plus 25, and that's that will be our answer. That's D. So then D equals 50. That means the third grade dash is 50 meters long. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!